Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the immersive reader to read the assessment in Schoology. So apparently we have to go to Microsoft Edge. So you have to have the kids go down here to Microsoft Edge. And once they have, they're logged into Horry County Schools, which they probably will have to do for the first time because they're not going to have that bookmarked in that browser probably. Have them bookmark it. And then once they get to Schoology, have them find the quiz. Once the quiz is ready to go, like I have on my screen, they're going to click the A up here in the URL bar. And as you can see, read aloud this page, you can click Control Shift U or just click read aloud. So I'm going to press play and it's reading to them. The kids up here can pause it right here. They can also go over here and change voice options to go slower or a little bit faster. They can change to different names, different languages and different, I guess, accents. So it's kind of defaulted to one of these, to area. This one's defaulted to area. But again, whichever. And then they can go back and press play.
Farmers in Shays Rebellion Uprising. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So we're going to go to
5,
question 2 and see
6,
if they'll start reading this one.
A new state and nation mini assessment 23/24. What was the purpose of the Northwest Ordinance? 1, 2, 3, 4. ES to the Union. 1. King that stated colonist had to pay taxes. Law that stated colonist could not move past the Appalachian Mountains. An agreement between the upcountry and low country.
Notice how I had to click on the answer to get it to read that answer. It doesn't automatically read it. It went to go read the numbers at the bottom. So let's go to a new question and just make sure when they press play that they click where they want it to start.
Which of the following explains why the Articles of Confederation were weak? 1. The Congress heavily restricted trade with Europe. Each state had 2 votes in the Congress, but only certain states could use both at the same time. Each state had 1 vote and could not agree on important issues. The Congress taxed the states too heavily after the war.
So the kids could then pause the read aloud up here, look at the answer choices. They could have them play it again, and then they could pick. Then they go to the next question, and they put their cursor where they want it to start. Press play, and get it to start right there.
What was the impact of the backcountry rebellion in Massachusetts known as Shays Rebellion? Compromises over western lands were reached. 1. Committee was formed to negotiate the Treaty of Paris. States called for a meeting in Philadelphia to strengthen the national government. States called for a committee trying to convince states to pay their debt.
So then have the kids learn to pause it and think about their answer, pick it, and then go to the next question. I hope this helps. Also in Schoology, there are some accessibility features built in, not speech to text, but they can change the background if it helps with their eyes. They can change font size if they need it to be bigger, and they can zoom in and out, which they can do anyway with their keypad or on their screen. So I hope this helps. You see how we can get read aloud for these students.